Today, I'm about to whisk you away on a whirlwind journey through the extraordinary history of an everyday kitchen appliance, the blender. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and maybe even a little hungry as we dive into the remarkable origins of this culinary marvel. Picture this. It's the roaring 1920s, the era of flappers, jazz, and all things modern. But when it came to preparing food, our ancestors were still stuck in the Stone Age. Mixing, chopping, and pureeing were all tasks that required a fair amount of elbow grease, until one brilliant inventor decided it was high time to change the game. Meet Stephen Poplawski, a man who had a passion for blending flavors, both in his culinary experiments and his inventions. Born in Poland and raised in America, Stephen was destined to become the unsung hero of the modern kitchen. With a vision to make life in the kitchen easier, he embarked on a mission that would revolutionize how we prepare our meals. In the early 1920s, the milkshake was all the rage, and soda fountains were popping up everywhere. Stephen was no stranger to these establishments, but he grew increasingly frustrated by the time-consuming process of manually mixing milkshakes. So, what did he do? He rolled up his sleeves and got to work, tinkering away in his workshop with a single-minded determination. His breakthrough moment came when he attached a spinning blade to the bottom of a container and hooked it up to an electric motor. Voila! The first electric blender was born. Stephen's contraption was a game changer, capable of mixing, pureeing, and blending ingredients in seconds. It was like magic in the kitchen. But Stephen's invention was not an overnight sensation. In 1922, he patented his creation as the drink mixer, and he began selling it to soda fountains and bars. The response was lukewarm, as people weren't quite sure what to make of this contraption. It was only when his cousin, Fred Osius, recognized its potential that things really started to blend together. Fred saw beyond milkshakes and envisioned the electric blender as a versatile kitchen appliance. He improved the design, making it more user-friendly, and rebranded it as the Waring Blender, with an O, a spelling choice that stuck for a while. It was marketed as a revolutionary tool for creating everything from soups to sauces to cocktails. In 1937, the blender made its grand debut at the National Restaurant Show in Chicago, and it took the culinary world by storm. Soon, every kitchen worth its salt had a Waring blender gracing its countertops. The blender's popularity skyrocketed, and it earned a place in the hearts of homemakers and professional chefs alike. The blender's journey didn't stop there, of course. Over the years, it evolved, becoming more powerful, efficient, and versatile. Today, we have blenders that can tackle anything from crushing ice to making silky, smooth smoothies. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, catering to every culinary need and aesthetic preference. So, there you have it, dear audience, the incredible story of how the blender came to be. From Stephen Poplawski's humble beginnings in his workshop to its reign as a kitchen superstar, the blender has truly come a long way. It's a testament to human innovation and a reminder that even the most mundane of kitchen chores can be transformed into something extraordinary. The next time you whip up a delicious smoothie or blend a velvety soup, take a moment to appreciate the unsung heroes behind this kitchen marvel. And remember, when it comes to inventing, sometimes all you need is a dash of inspiration, a pinch of determination, and a whole lot of blending magic.